Hi everyone. Guess what? I have order from Timo, and I am so excited to open my first order on Timo. Let's see. All right, I'm so excited. Are you excited? Okay. All right. Why is it like that? Are you excited? Wow. Let's see. First, this is for Ashley's, and this is for the earrings. Ah, it's cute, Amy. It's pretty good. And this one, let's see. Oh, this is for earrings too. This is for Amy. Yeah. What else I got here? Oh, I got this bag. This bag for this is only $1 and something. This is the bag for my little shop. And this one is for the earrings. So far so good. So far. Wow, I'm so impressed. It's really nice. From Timo. Ooh, I didn't expect I will get this today. I got a microphone. I gotta try my microphone today. Oh, I'm disappointed with this one because I didn't thought it was so little like that. Mimi, it's just $1 and something. This is a box for your jewelries. There's more. So I got more. So far, I like it. This is for earrings. There's another one. Earrings and bracelets. And this one. A lot of them. But it's okay. So far, yes. I like it. And I'm glad that my order came. Because I was so scared. I'm scared to order from Timo because this is good. This is for Ashley. She can make something out of it. And most of all, I got my microphone. Let me see. Let's see the microphone. Oh, this is just a trial. I got my microphone. Hello. And yeah, this is because my sound card is like that. Okay. Awesome. That's all worth like $50. It wasn't bad at all. I got this for $1 and something. It's not bad. from Timo. So I was disappointed. I was not disappointed. I was just scared to order on Timo because of the rumors. But anyway, I got my orders. I got my microphone. I got all my orders. I still have some coming. The microphone is actually nice. Wow. Awesome. It's actually good. Hello. Hello, hello. I'm gonna